Dear friends, children are the future of our society. They deserve safety, protection, care, and a secure environment. But unfortunately, many children in India are becoming victim of abuse and exploitation. To protect our children from sexual offences, Indian government introduced a very important law called the POCSO Act. So today, let us understand the POCSO Act in a very simple and easy language. What is POCSO? The full name of the law is the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. This law was specially created to protect children below 18 years of age from sexual abuse, sexual harassment, exploitation, and pornography-related offences. This law was introduced in 2012 on 14th November. Under POCSO, who is a child? Under the POCSO Act, any person below 18 years of age is considered a child. This law protects both boys as well as girls. That is one of the important features of the Act. It is gender neutral. So both are protected, boys as well as girls. Types of offences under POCSO Act. The law covers different type of offences against children. For example, inappropriate touch, sexual assault, using children for pornography, showing obscene content, online exploitation, or sexually harassing a child. Even threatening or emotionally manipulating a child for sexual purposes can become an offense under the Act. It's a child-friendly law. One very important feature of the POCSO Act is that it is child-friendly. The law tries to reduce fear and trauma for children during investigation and court procedures. For example, the child's statement should be recorded in a comfortable environment. Identity of the child must remain confidential, and unnecessary harassment during investigation should be avoided. It should be as cordial and as child-friendly as possible. Reporting of offences under POCSO Act. If anyone becomes aware of sexual offences against a child, it should be reported immediately. In fact, it's a duty of the person who comes to know about it to report it. Under the POCSO Act, failure to report certain offences may also lead to legal consequences. Teachers, parents, relatives, neighbors, and institutions all have a social responsibility to protect children. Dear friends, do you know almost 94% of the cases are in POCSO Act are from the persons who are known to the child. They may be relative, they may be persons who are in close contact with the child. And therefore, this is an observation in 2024. Of the total 44,000 cases registered under the POCSO Act, more than 42,000 cases were from the person who were known to the child. Punishment under POCSO. The POCSO Act provides strict punishments depending on the seriousness of the offense. Punishments may include imprisonment, heavy fines, or both. In serious cases, punishment can extend for many years. Online safety of children. Today, children spend a lot of time online through mobile phone, games, and social media. They are on internet many a times. Parents and guardians should remain alert about first, unknown online contacts, 2, inappropriate messages, 3, sharing personal photos, and cyber exploitation or cyberbullying. Digital safety is now equally important for a child protection. Role of parents and society is very important. Friends, laws alone cannot solve every problem. Parents should maintain open communication with children and create an environment where children feel safe to speak. Schools, society, and families must work together to ensure child safety and awareness. The important message that is to be taken is if a child behaves differently, becomes fearful, is isolated, or emotionally disturbed, parents should pay attention and communicate calmly. Awareness, trust, and timely action can protect children from serious harm. Nowadays, lot of things are being taught to the children in schools. What is a good touch? What is a bad touch? So all these things should be, every children must know. The moment there is a different type of touch than a normal parental touch or a normal relative's touch, he should be bold enough and free enough to speak to the parents and tell him that he has experienced an inappropriate touch. What is an inappropriate touch? What is not a good touch? How do you differentiate between a good touch and bad touch? Everything must be explained to children well in advance. So friends, today we understood what the POCSO Act is, who is protected under it, types of offences, reporting responsibilities, and the importance of child safety. Protecting children is not only a legal duty, it is a moral responsibility of society. Because if the child gets traumatized in his early life, he is likely to carry that trauma throughout his life, and that may distort his personality. So, it is the responsibility of every one of us that the child is not treated badly or the child is not sexually exploited. If you found this video informative, do like, share, and subscribe to Matter That Matters with Dr. Deepak Mhaisekar. Thank you.